Welcome to Conversations with Jimmy Shanken, where we bring you a weekly discussion on topics concerning Liberty County, Long County, and the Coastal Empire. Take a listen and share with a friend. Give us a like, give us a love, and thank you for listening. Today I have with me Ms. Traci Lopez. Tracy wrote my first VA loan when I PCS'd here in 1994 as a soldier from Germany. And I thought it'd be great to have her explain some of the important parts of the VA loan process. How are you doing today, Tracy?
Good, how are you, Jimmy?
Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Tracy, how much can I borrow on a VA loan?
Well, that determines on your income and your debt, such as car payments, credit cards, personal loans, things of that nature. So it's very important when you speak to your lender to make sure that you have a list of your debts and your exact income.
Tracy, what is a credit score requirement for a VA loan?
Well, Jimmy, there's really not a credit score limit for a VA loan. However, lenders set their own criteria for the credit score. So I would say as an average, minimum 620, but there are lenders who can do below a 620.
Tracy, do I need a down payment with a VA loan?
No, the great thing about a VA loan is it requires no down payment. However, there are other things associated with closing a mortgage on a VA, which is closing costs and setting up your escrows. So that's something very important that when you're negotiating the contract, that you take those things into consideration where the buyer knows if they're going to need funds at closing.
Thank you. Tracy, how long is the VA loan process?
Typically, we can close a VA loan in 30 days or less. So it's just going to depend on the lender and how quickly the client gets their documentation to the lender so they can determine that they pre-qualify, so the appraisal and title work can be ordered as quickly as possible.
Tracy, can I only use the VA loan one time?
No, VA can be used more than one time as long as you have enough entitlements available for a second-time purchase. If you sell your home, all your VA entitlements are restored. And basically, if you do decide you want to buy another home and you do not have enough VA entitlements, you can always pay the difference of the availability of entitlements and the sales price that you're purchasing.
Thank you. Tracy, how long does it take to get pre-qualified for a VA loan?
Typically, you can get qualified in about 30 minutes. We send an online application to the buyer. It takes about 7 minutes to complete. And we do ask the buyer for certain documents so we can confirm their qualification, because everything's going to be initially based off of the information that the buyer's given us. If anything comes up later, that could always change your pre-qualification.
Is there a cost associated with that?
No pre-qualification charge at all.
Tracy, what is a VA appraisal and how much does it cost?
The VA appraisals are set right now at $650. However, that is to confirm the value of the home to make sure that it's worth what it's being sold for.
What is a VA funding fee?
The VA funding fee is VA's fee basically for you not putting a down payment. It's financed into the loan. For first-time use, it's 2.3%. Second-time use is 3.6%. Also, if you do a VA rollover, which is a rate reduction program, the funding fee is 0.5%. But if you are a disabled veteran receiving 10% or more, you do not pay a VA funding fee. And I'd like to add that most veterans do not know if they are 100% disabled. They need to contact their local tax assessor's office to see what they can waive on their property taxes.
Well, Tracy, thank you for being here today. I really appreciate it. I know you've been with SWBC for quite a while. Is there anything you'd like to add? Notes, documents you might need?
Well, we generally send in our email the list of documents, but basically the normal documents are just your W-2s for the last 2 years, most recent pay stub, orders if you're coming here or stationed in another area,